Okay, this is a white model 3954. It's a vintage all-metal 1.3 amp cam machine. It's a basic straight zigzag machine until you add a pattern cam, and it comes with a complete set of cams in original box. It's a low shank machine. It comes with a box of goodies, which include a hammer foot, a button sewing foot, a straight stitch foot, a straight plate, bobbins, seam guide, and other stuff. It is turquoise in color, two-tone. Overall, it's in nice cosmetic condition. The only paint issue is the big ding right here on the top edge. The rest of it is in very, very nice cosmetic condition. Uses class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles, both of which can be bought virtually anywhere. Even your local Walmart has them in stock. And it is, as I said, a low shank machine. It has adjustable stitch width on just the zigzag. The cam patterns are not adjustable. It must remain on 0 for your cam to work. Adjustable stitch length and feed dog drop. And of course your bobbin winder on the end. I will email a PDF copy of the instruction manual after purchase. I'll get that by email. Very nice, quiet machine. Tabletop ready, or you can put it in a Singer cabinet or carrying case. It does share the same dimensions as a Singer. And Singers are the easiest cabinets to find. Should fit nicely. And I do have mounting hinges if you would need some hinges to mount your machine. There are my lights. Now the cams go right in the top. And as I said, you have to have them on 0 for the cam design to work. But to insert the cam, you have to turn your zigzag width to full width to insert the cam. Once cam's in, you let it spring back. You adjust your length to however tight you want your design, and you're off. Right now I'm doing the cam design. Of course, you can also do creative embroidery also. Stitch width style is spring-loaded, so it makes creative embroidery patterns easy. Looks like a devil horn pattern. Very cool. There's your cam pattern. Very nice stitches. And other feet and attachments are going to be easy to find because it is a basic low shank machine. The needle does home to the left. And the needle position is not adjustable on this machine. It will always home to the left. Now this is 5 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. Machine will use at least up to an 18, possibly a 21. Need to check the manual for that. Nice balanced stitch on 5 layers of denim, 16 layers of cotton blend. Perfect stitch on those 16, and let's do 3 layers of tumbled garment leather. And if you're going to consistently work with leather or vinyl, a walking or even feed foot is a good $15 investment because it does just as it says. It evenly feeds your project between the foot and the feed dogs, so you get a consistent size stitch. Very nice on 3 layers of leather. And that is the white model 3954 cam machine.